Hello friends, don't like this clutter in your car? Today we're going to review this 2-in-1 charger of Cabletime. Welcome to this new video. Now Cabletime sent me this charger in order to show it on my channel, but of course I will give you my honest opinion. So on first sight you can see the box is really nice. A lot of details. There even is a QR code to check that it is a genuine, really nice detail. So it is a magnetic charger of 15 watt and it also have a retractable 20 watt cable with an adapter, so you have USB-C and lightning. So you can see it has certificate European ROHS with a 9 volt 3 amp input, 15 watt wireless charging and a 20 watt cable charging. Retractable cable length is 1 meter. So that looked nice. Let's see with this magnetic case. So on bumpy roads this should hold. Now further in the box we have the holder itself and we have the charging cable, the instruction manual, so you can see directly the difference. Most holders have a clip. With this kind of holder you attach the holder directly onto the air vent and it will sit really tight. So great. You can see how this sits really tight. And now for the retractable cable. So you can see there's a stop, and when you pull any further it retracts back in. And for the adapters you have the iPhone adapter and USB-C. It is important when using USB-C that you use a plug that is powerful enough. So the USB-C that I used over here isn't powerful enough. Here I've got a 30 watt adapter. So let's plug that one in. And now when we connect it, it works perfectly. When using an adapter that isn't powerful enough, USB-C won't work. So take in mind that you use a quick charge adapter. So overall a really nice looking adapter, really handy to have your phone, easy to stick on, it really holds well, easy to remove, and super nice that you have a second charging cable for your passenger with the lightning and USB-C. It is long enough. You can see here, large enough to go to the passenger seat, and it just packs very easily. I like the look and feel. It feels solid. It shouldn't shake too much. It should work on all air vents with this orientation. So if you like this charger, please check out my affiliate link in the video description and you will even get a 20% reduction on this charger. So check out my link and get the best price. Drop me a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in a very next video. Bye bye.